Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time and you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, like and share this video. Alright, okay, thank you for subscribing. Yeah, in this video I'm going to take you through step-by-step tutorial on how to use DaVinci Studio 17. It's very simple and very straightforward. Let's get into this video. The first movement that you are supposed to take is, you can see here it's empty. Now you have to add in your clips so that you can go straight forward to start editing your videos. Here is no clips in the media pool, so we have to add clips from our media storage. So you have to go to media pool, and as you can see here it's written import media. You click on it, you go wherever the file destination where you've saved your files, you pick in the videos. So that's it, you open and add it. That's all. That's it here. You've already added one file. So this is how you're going to do it. You continue and add it till you add all the clips of the videos you want to edit. We go by clicking, dragging and dropping the video. So we've dropped the video, so that we're going to edit it. Mostly what people wants to do, or what people wants to when editing their video, is they want to trim and cut this video. I've taken you through the steps of adding a file, so we've already added the file. I'm going to teach you how you are going to trim and cut your videos. And this is very simple. We have so many interfaces here. This is DaVinci Studio 17 Beta. So you have here media. This is cut. So you go to edit. Straightforward there. That's the interface for edit. So here you can trim, cut, add in, and do whatever edit you want to do here. I know most people want to learn how to trim and cut. So we have this in the blade form, and this also here. So you have to select which one you want to use first. So if you want to trim your video, you click on this one here. So you check till the mouse pointer becomes like this. Then you go straight forward to trim your video. You can do the same thing here at the end of your video too. So what about when you want to cut and trim a video in the middle? You go for the blade-like shape. You put the mouse at the point where you want to cut the video. So you click on it. Right there, it will split the video into two. Then you go back and select this tool. There, you can trim any part of the video you want to trim. I hope this video is very useful to you. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, that's the most important, and share this video. Thank you.